Before you start any business in 2026, there's one decision that can completely change how much tax you pay, and most beginners get it wrong. It's the difference between an LLC and a sole proprietor. And here's the truth. Choosing the wrong one doesn't just affect your paperwork. It can affect your money, your protection, and even your future business growth. In the next 15 minutes, I'll break this down in the simplest way possible so you actually understand which one fits you. If you're starting a YouTube channel, freelancing, dropshipping, or any small online business, you've probably heard these two terms, LLC and sole proprietor. But nobody explains them in a simple, practical way. So let's fix that right now. No complicated legal talk, just real-world understanding. A sole proprietor is the simplest form of business. In fact, if you start making money without registering anything, you are automatically a sole proprietor in most countries like the US. That means you and your business are the same entity. All income goes directly to you, and all responsibility is yours. So if your business makes profit, it's your personal income. But here's the important part. If something goes wrong, debts, lawsuits, or financial issues, you are personally responsible. That means your personal assets could be at risk. Now for beginners, this is not always dangerous, but it is important to understand. An LLC, or limited liability company, creates a separation between you and your business. Think of it like a protective layer. So instead of you and your business being the same thing, they become two separate things. This separation is important because it can protect your personal assets in some situations. It makes your business look more professional. It helps you organize finances better, and it gives structure if your business grows. But here's something beginners misunderstand. An LLC is not a magic tax-saving tool. You still pay taxes on your income. It just changes how your business is structured, not how much money magically disappears. Now let's talk about the biggest confusion, taxes. People think LLC automatically means lower taxes. That is not true. In most cases, a sole proprietor and a single-member LLC are taxed very similarly. The main difference is not tax rate, it's structure. However, LLCs can give you more flexibility later if you grow your income or choose different tax classifications. But for beginners earning small income, there is often no immediate tax advantage. So don't make your decision based only on taxes. Now this is where the real difference comes in. A sole proprietor has no separation between personal and business. That means your personal savings, your car, your personal assets could be exposed if something serious happens in your business. An LLC, on the other hand, is designed to create a legal separation. But important note, protection is not absolute and depends on proper setup and compliance. So the real benefit of LLC is structure and protection, not tax reduction. Now let's make this simple. You might not need an LLC if you are just starting. You are earning very little or inconsistent income. You are testing a business idea. But you should consider an LLC if you are earning consistent income. You want to build a long-term business. You want better organization. You work with clients or contracts. So the best beginner strategy is often start simple, then upgrade later. So here's the simple truth. Sole proprietor equals simple, automatic, no setup needed. LLC equals structured, more professional, more protection potential. But neither one is better for everyone. It depends on your stage of business. If this helped, make sure you subscribe, because tomorrow I'm breaking down the 15 tax write-offs every small business owner is missing. And that video can literally save you money.